You might have noticed Amazon suddenly went down, pages stopped loading, Alexa went silent, and even Prime Video acted weird. But it was not hackers, it was not a power outage, it was something much smaller and way more powerful, something called DNS. So, what even is DNS and how can it crash a giant like Amazon? Let's break it down because this one system literally runs the internet. DNS is like the phone book of the internet. When you type amazon.com, computer doesn't understand words. It understands IP addresses like 205.251.242.103. DNS job is to translate that number into a number instantly. Here how it works. Your computer first check if it already knows the address. If not, it asks your DNS resolver, usually your ISP DNS server. That resolver contacts root server, then the .com server, and finally Amazon authoritative DNS server. Once it finds the IP, boom, the site loads all in less than a second. So what went wrong? Amazon later explained that an outgoing bug in one of their internal DNS system, part of AWS DynamoDB, caused certain DNS records to go missing. That means when your computer asked, "Hey, where is Amazon.com?" DNS simply didn't answer. The glitch started in the AWS US East 1 region, the busiest data center zone in the world. DynamoDB is Amazon database service. Millions of apps use it for real-time data. When Amazon DNS failed, it was not just Amazon that went dark. Apps like Snapchat, Reddit, Venmo, Signal, Zoom, Coinbase, even Pinterest were impacted because they all rely on AWS behind the scenes. For hours, business couldn't process payments, user couldn't sign in, and some companies lost real-time features like chat analytics. A few e-commerce brands even reported tens of thousands in lost revenue, all from a DNS glitch. This shows how centralized the web has become, and when one major cloud region like AWS US East 1 goes down, it can drag half the internet with it. One point of failure global. And Amazon fixed it. AWS engineers quickly isolated the automation, rolled out manual fixes, updated safeguards to stop it from happening again. Within hours, service recovered, and Amazon published a full post-mortem explaining the issue. So, DNS Internet Security Backbone hackers targeted, redirect traffic, block sites, launch phishing attacks. DNS matter, even giants like Amazon are not immune. So that's how DNS took down one of the biggest tech companies in the world. It is a reminder no matter how big your system is, one small piece can cause a huge chain reaction. If you like this breakdown, hit follow for more tech explainers. Next time, I'll show you IP addresses connect every together.